The Mobipulator is a mobile manipulator that uses its wheels both for locomotion and manipulation. It has 4 independently driven wheels, none of them steered. The rubber rings on the wheels help grip the paper firmly. We also occasionally add ballast to the robot to reduce slip. The wheels on the paper are called hands, and the wheels on the ground are called feet. The feet work like a 2-wheeled differential drive mobile robot, while the hands use a differential drive arrangement to manipulate the paper. For this task, there is no visual feedback, and the robot uses the natural compliance of the paper to make sure the paper is flush against the block. There are lots of other interesting ways to manipulate things. Here, the robot moves the paper by vibrating with an asymmetric vibration. Vibration can also be used to reduce friction between the paper and the desktop, as in this motion. While mobile robots use parallel parking to move themselves sideways, the Mobipulator uses parallel parking to move the paper sideways. However, since paper is much lighter than a robot, the parallel parking motion can be much faster. The robot can also move cylinders if it can get on top of them. In this case, it uses the edge of the table to mount the cylinder. Once on top, the robot is surprisingly stable. In the absence of paper, the robot must use skid steering to turn. Unfortunately, here its high-friction tires become a handicap. We are using visual feedback to steer more accurately. We have also developed a path planning algorithm that uses the dual differential drive to navigate paper from a start to a goal configuration while avoiding known static obstacles. Of course, while the planner expects an ideal world, friction and slip in the real world are far from predictable. Hence, the implemented plan does not always work. We are currently working on using the camera to correct these errors. The Mobipulator is a concept car. It is designed to explore different concepts of how a mobile robot can perform manipulation tasks, and, in particular, the interconnectedness of locomotion and manipulation.